And so paying him, he gets the money, and I get to be able to enjoy fresh seafood. And there's got to be something wrong here. I mean, Australia was one of the best places, especially I grew up as a child getting mussels and sea snails from the sea, and clams and stuff like that. What's such an abundance of seafood produce. You know, and my dad used to fish, used to get calamari and cook them. He used to go with the nets at night and fish and get the beautiful prawns. We had prawns even in the bay there in Brighton, in Melbourne, in Victoria. And now I'm living on the beautiful Gold Coast, and we have some wonderful produce. So I'll share with you what I'm going to cook with them, but I really wanted to share today just the abundance of Australian waters. I'll see you on the next video. Ciao.